Welcome back to another interesting sessions, embroidery. It is our final stretch, guys. Before you start, we have to draft the design out. Prepare a piece of transparent plastic. Glue the 9 cm x 5 cm white color tape on the plastic. Trace the design out on the tape. Now we are going to cut the design out. Remember to leave a longer plastic at the sharp point in order to tear the design out easily. Stick the design tape on the shoulder and arrange the design out. This made it easier for us to sew the sequins by following the side of the paper tape. Continue by drawing the sequins design guideline at the overcoat hem. Mark the sequins measurements with chalk. We are going to draw the triangle shape out with white chalk. Draw it lightly. Again, sew a white running stitch for guidelines. After that, we can start sewing the sequins along the guideline. We will be using a mix of 1 cm and 2 cm silver sequins. Here we draw the snowflake shape. We will need the 2 cm sequins for this. This is the shape of the snowflake. We recommend small pearls to sew on for both left and right front center opening. We do have another smaller silver snowflake design on both chest area. We will choose 1 cm sequins here. Snowflakes are finished, and we will remove the paper tape. We will continue sewing the pearls. Distance is about half cm. Border of the lace for shoulders and sleeves lace border. Here is the snowflake designs on the shoulder. Silver sequins line at the center of sleeve. Now a useful tips. Wax the thread with a little candle for a smoother and tangle-free effect when sewing. Beautiful posts are along the front and the sleeves too. Your great support and patience is appreciated. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. We would love to have your feedback. Thank you once again and see you soon.